I live in boarding school, and I have some friends. They never put the trash in the trash can. Day by day, their trash gain more and more, until that day, and this is our story.
What do you mean?
What do you think about your girlfriend?
I don't have girlfriend, bro.
But the friend in your life. Hey, you guys! It's so dirty!
Why?
You clean it or you getting punishment from the teacher? You're us? Yes. Why?
Hey!
Wait. Don't worry, bro. Keep calm. That is my problem.
Why?
Okay, up to you.
That's your problem. Hey, you guys!
Why?
It's so dirty.
Why?
You clean it or you will get a punishment from teacher. So clean it.
Stay here, man.
Clean it. Huh? Hey, it's so dirty, man. No! Hey, whatever.
Oh my god. What happened to my friends?
Come on.
Hurry up, bro.
Where are we gonna go?
Let's go to the canteen.
Okay.
Do you have girlfriend?
I have 3 girlfriends, bro.
Oh my god, and you?
I don't have.
What a bitch you are.
No problem.
Let's order. What do you want?
I want milk, bro.
Order, bro.
Whoa. Wait. Come on, bro. Slowly.
I want milk.
Okay.
What do you want?
Give me 3 minutes.
No make but sold out.
Okay. Give me something.
No way, cause you never pay.
How much our debt?
Your debt is 2 million rupiah.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
What do you mean?
No problem. We owe you again, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Thanks.
Come on, bro. Slowly. Come on. Slowly. Okay, baby boy. This.
Thank you, bro.
Delicious.
Feels good.
Hey, look at that.
What?
Hey, look at that. With the show off.
Yes.
Crazy boys.
Let's play with him.
Let's go.
Hey, bro. Let me help you.
Oh, of course.
Bye. What happened to yourself?
What happened? What's the problem?
Bye.
Look at this, sir. I was cleaning, but I was blue, but I don't know. What was the problem?
What did they do?
I think the mom went that way.
That way?
Yes.
I'll take care of him.
Run! You're stitching us. Run!
What's wrong with you guys? Don't you know that Syamil always work hard to clean our class, to clean the school, and yet you are always make rush everywhere. Remember, this earth is ours, and God made this earth die because of what you did, because of what you do. Don't you know that Syamil always clean this school every single day, not just like all of you. Understood?